Hello, my name is Emma. Welcome to our university.
Hi, I'm John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, John?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from France.
Is this your first time in London?
No, I've been living in London for about 3 years now.
I see. Have you been studying here for all that time?
Yes, this is my 3rd year here. I've got 1 more year to go.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English literature. I want to be a linguist. How about you?
Sounds cool. I want to be a school teacher.
That's great.
I've always wanted to study abroad, so I came to London.
Nice. Yeah, I love it here. I'm actually planning to live here even after I graduate.
Perfect. You are already from Europe, so it shouldn't be that difficult for you.
Yeah, I'll just need to convince my parents. What about you?
I love London, but I'm just here for school. I'll need to go back once I graduate anyway.
I see. Well, good luck to you. I have to go to class now. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you. You too, and have a good class.
Goodbye.
Now answer these questions to check your understanding of the conversation. Emma is from the United States, Spain, Canada, France. Emma is from France. John is from London, Australia, Spain, the United States. John is from the United States. Emma has been living in London for about years now. 2, 4, 3, 5. Emma has been living in London for about 3 years now. Emma is studying medicine, English literature, mathematics, nursing. Emma is studying English literature. John wants to be a linguist, doctor, businessman, teacher. John wants to be a teacher.
Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
Hi Anna, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the United States. Are you visiting here or do you live nearby?
I live here. I've been living in this city for a few years now. What about you?
I'm visiting for a short vacation. It's my first time in this city. and I'm really enjoying it so far.
That's great. I hope you have a wonderful time exploring the city. If you need any recommendations, feel free to ask.
Thank you, John. I appreciate that. So, what do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher at a local school. I really enjoy working with kids and helping them learn new things. How about you?
I work as a nurse at a hospital. It's a rewarding job, and I feel like I'm making a difference in people's lives.
That's amazing. Nurses play such an important role in healthcare. I have a lot of respect for what you do.
Thank you, John. It's nice to hear that. So, do you have any hobbies or interests outside of work?
Yes, I enjoy playing soccer in my free time. I also like reading books and going hiking on weekends. What about you?
I love reading too. I also enjoy painting and taking long walks in nature. It's a great way to relax and clear my mind.
That sounds wonderful. We should definitely go for a hike together sometime.
That would be great. I'd love that. It was really nice meeting you, John.
Anna, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Enjoy your vacation and take care. Goodbye.
Thank you, John. You take care too. Goodbye.
Now answer these questions to check your understanding of the conversation. John is from the United States, Spain, Canada. John is from Canada. Anna is from London, Australia, Spain, the United States. Anna is from the United States. Anna is a nurse, student, teacher, doctor. Anna is a nurse. John is a doctor, teacher, student, engineer. John is a teacher. John likes in his free time cricket, hockey, soccer, basketball. John likes soccer in his free time.